I'm a 6th grade through 12th grade art teacher in a very rural school district. And when I say rural, I mean on my way here, which is about a 10-mile drive, I saw probably 20 different cornfields, a barn, a few houses, and if you're really lucky, sometimes you might even get to see a horse and buggy. Hello out there, my name is Tasha Newton. I'm going to share some fun ways to get your students engaged and excited about taking classes. All right, so one of the things that we're trying to do is create a certain vibe in here. So we're going for coffee shop vibes. So I have some coffee shop music going, and we're doing constant vibe checks to check if the kids are at the right vibe level. So we shouldn't be talking too loud. We should be acting like we're in a coffee shop, quietly doing our thing. Because let me tell you, 7th hour, they bring the energy. So we're just trying to calm it down so we can be productive and get our work done. What vibe are we going for? Coffee shop vibe. 6th graders, what vibe do we want in here? Coffee shop vibe. And what does a coffee shop vibe look like and sound like? Quiet. What should our bodies be doing? Usually coffee makes us want to work, right? And focus. So we're focused, we're quiet, we're in the zone. Coffee shop vibes, okay? So make sure you like and subscribe through the Art of Education University right here so you can see some more fun videos like this.